Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 centimes ng France na mayroong taon na 1995. Continue tayo guys sa ating history dahil napakaganda ang history nito guys. Ang kanyang pinagmulan sa baryang ito guys ng France ng 10 centimes. Page 16 na tayo guys. Economic and Monetary Union. From January 1, 1999, the value exchange rate of the France against the euro was set at a fixed parity of 1 euro is equal to 6.55957 francs. Euro coins and notes reflect the France entirely between January 1 and March 1, 2002. In August 1795, the monetary law reflects the livre pound, which the France which was divided into 10 decimes, tenth, and 100 centimes or hundreds. Copper coins were issued in the denomination of 1 centimes, 5 centimes, 1 decime, and 2 decimes, designed by Augustin Dupre. After 1801, French copper coins became rare. The 5 centimes copper coins was called asu, referring to sol, from Latin solidus, until the 1920s. And imperial 10 decime was 10 decime coins was produced in billion from 1807 to 1810. During the consulship period 1799 until 1804, silver francs were struck in decimal coinage. A 5 francs coin was first introduced in 1801 until 1802. Latin, half francs, 1 francs, and gold 40 francs coins were introduced in 1802 until 1803. Lan 11 and quarter francs and 2 francs coins in 1803 hanggang 1804, Lan 12. The 5 francs silver coins was called an écu. After the 6 livre or silver coin of the ancient regime until the 1880s. Copper coins were rarely issued between 1801 and 1848, so the quarter francs was the lowest current denomination in circulation. But during this period, copper coins from earlier periods circulated a Napoleon 5 centimes coins in Vela metal, and Napoleon and Restoration 1 decime coins were minted. Most pre-decimal silver was removed from circulation by 1834 until they were also demonetized in 1845. 15 and 30 so coins from 1791 until 1793 continued to circulate with a value of 0.75 and 1.50 francs. And the 18th century billion coins that had come to be known as pieces, the 6 layers, originally issued with various values, were valued at 7.5 centimes. A new bronze coinage was introduced from 1848. The Second Republic Monetary Authority minted a 1 centime copper coin with a 1795 design. 2, 5, and 10 centime coins were issued from 1853. The quarter francs was discontinued with silver. 20 centime coins issued between 1849 and 1868 as the smallest silver coin produced in France. The gold coinage also changed. 40 francs coins were last struck in 1839 with just 23 coins minted. Several new denominations were introduced as gold coinage. 5 gold francs in 1856, 10 gold francs in 1850, 50 gold francs in 1855 and the 100 gold francs 1855, and the second design for the 100 gold francs coins was released in 1878, depicting standing genius writing and the Constitution. The pictures examples 1889 was issued as a proof, and only 100 coins were struck. The last gold 5 francs pieces were minted in 1869, and silver 5 francs coins were last minted in 1878. After the 1815, the 20 francs gold coin was called a Napoleon. Royalists still called this coin a Louis, and so that is the colloquial term for this coin until the present. During the Belle Epoque or Epoch, the 100 francs gold coin was called Monaco, referring to the flourishing casino business in Monte Carlo. Nickel 25 centime coins were introduced in 1903.